exactly like that. So let's have a party, right? So help me out, you know, because I'm getting old. That's right, that's the way to do it. So let's all have a party. But we're gonna try, you know, it's not like the old times when you went to see a band and you waited all to get entertained. It's not like that anymore. We're gonna try hard, everyone, to be like more than we could be. No. Everyone is gonna try hard, right? We're all gonna try as hard as we can tonight, right?